everyone, want to close your Citi Bank account using your iPhone? In this video, I'll show you the correct steps so you don't face delays or fees. Step 1. Check your account balance. Before closing your account, make sure your balance is zero. Transfer or withdraw all money from your Citi account. Step 2. Cancel pending transactions. Check for pending payments, subscriptions, or scheduled transfer. Your account can't be closed if anything is still processing. Step 3. Open the Citi mobile app on your iPhone and sign in. Go to your account details and review everything one last time. Step 4. Find Citi contact options. Citi does not allow account closure directly in the app. Tap contact us or help to reach Citi customer support. Step 5. Call Citi customer service. Use the in-app calling option or dial the number on the back of your debit card. Tell the agent you want to close your account. Step 6. Verify your identity. You will be asked to verify your identity using security questions or a one-time code. Answer carefully to avoid delays. Step 7. Confirm account closure. Ask for confirmation that your account is closed. Request an email or reference number for your records. And that's how to close a Citi Bank account using your phone. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.